Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and today I'm going to show you how to get gradient nails. Start with a base coat. Apply one coat of white or one coat of the lightest color in your gradient combo. In the next clip, I'm putting on liquid latex, but I just wanted to tell you that I do every other nail so that the liquid latex doesn't stick together. This next step isn't necessary but helps make cleanup a lot easier. Apply liquid latex around the nail. If you don't want to use liquid latex, you can always use tape. Next, on a damp sponge, I apply the colors from lightest to darkest. I'm using white, light blue, medium blue, and dark blue. Next, put the sponge on the nail and move up and down and side to side to blend the colors. You will want to do multiple coats. In between each layer, make sure you're reapplying polish on the sponge. Apply as many coats as necessary, I usually do 3, and repeat the same steps for the rest of your nails. Next, take some tweezers to carefully remove the liquid latex from around your nails. And lastly, apply top coat. This helps blend the colors together. Of course, after this, you'll want to do additional cleanup with nail polish remover and a small brush. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more nail art designs, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below what designs you would like to see. Thanks for watching. Bye!